This is a 2024 Barletta Lusso 23M. Black diamond, matte black finish on the exterior. Pop-up cleats. Lily pad ladder. Safety chains and ski toe. This Barletta is equipped with a 300 horsepower Mercury motor. Stepping into the bow of this Tri-Toon, 2 large loungers with armrests, recessed cup holders, the speakers and USB chargers. Convenient garbage. Doggy dishes is equipped with in-floor storage and a pop-up table. Stepping to the helm, raised helm. This Tri-Toon is rated for 14 people. Simrad Go 7 chart plotter. Wireless phone charger for the captain. Pop-up armrests. Also face aft. Like the passenger seat, many options. Also have the pop-up cleat or pop-up armrests on the stern. In-floor cooler storage. Rear-facing speakers and remote on the stern. Notice all these like cup holders are light up. This is a 2024 Barletta Lusso 23M.